The earliest astronomical observations date back to the Assyro-Babylonians around 1000 BCE. Humans have come a long way since, and from first venturing into space in 1957, we are now looking at the possibility of space travel becoming as common as traveling by planes. Here's a look at some major milestones in terms of space exploration over this year. Mars witnessed the arrival of not one or two, but three missions by three different nations this year. The Hope Orbiter by the United Arab Emirates, the Perseverance rover launched by NASA, and the Tianwen-1 mission launched by China reached the Red Planet this year. Hope will focus on helping scientists answer atmospheric questions, while Tianwen-1 and Perseverance will be looking for signs of past or present life and understanding Martian geology. 117 years after the Wright brothers succeeded in making the first flight on our planet, NASA's Ingenuity helicopter succeeded in replicating this feat on the Red Planet in April this year. The Ingenuity Mars helicopter became the first aircraft in history to make a powered, controlled flight on another planet. The solar-powered helicopter climbed to its prescribed maximum altitude of 10 feet, which is 3 meters, and maintained a stable hover for 30 seconds. It then descended, touching back down on the surface of Mars after logging a total of 39.1 seconds of flight. Another major milestone saw a spacecraft go closer to the Sun for the first time ever in history. NASA's Parker Solar Probe flew through the Sun's upper atmosphere and sampled particles and magnetic fields. As it circles closer to the solar surface, the Parker is making new discoveries that other spacecraft were too far away to see. SpaceX launched the Inspiration 4 mission with an all-civilian crew on September 15 from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It was the first time in history that a rocket shot into space without any astronauts on board. The crew circled the Earth for 3 days about 367 miles above our planet. It's higher than even the International Space Station that orbits at an altitude of 250 miles. Similarly, the NS-16 mission marked Blue Origin's first mission in carrying humans into space. The mission flew Jeff Bezos and the crew into space, setting the platform for commercial space tourism in the near future. The spacecraft shot to suborbital trajectory at an altitude of 107 km. NASA launched the James Webb Telescope on Christmas Day. This is the largest space telescope ever and the most noteworthy one after Hubble. Experts have called it a time machine that will help us look further into the history of our universe and also lead us into the future of understanding the universe. It's an all-purpose telescope that can observe the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets in our solar system. It can also inspect planets that belong to other suns and planets that don't belong to any star at all. The James Webb Telescope will also be able to spot even baby galaxies. Despite all these, it was China that hogged the limelight when it came to space exploration this year. China has set a new record in terms of its aerospace achievement. It carried out 50+ orbital launches in 2021, breaking its previous record of 39 launches set in 2018 and 2020. China is also undertaking efforts to build its own space station in the near future. It also conducted multiple complex tasks, including 3 spacewalks. Tiangong is the space station that the Chinese Manned Space Agency is building in low Earth orbit. In May 2021, China launched Tianhe, which is the first of the orbiting space station's 3 modules, and the country aims to finish building the space station by the end of 2022. Tiangong will be much smaller than the International Space Station. Nevertheless, it is definitely something that China can boast about. With several countries racing to make breakthroughs in space exploration, 2022 is sure to witness new breaches which were unthinkable before in space exploration. At this rate, it is likely that humans will soon establish a civilization beyond Earth in the near future. A Federal Report.